What's up, guys? Today I opened Roblox, joined a game, and suddenly, my avatar head changed. The face looks kinda weird, and honestly, I don't like it at all. So yeah, this is actually the new dynamic head that Roblox added after yesterday's update. But don't worry, I'll show you how to quickly reset it back to the default head. First, leave the game. Then click on your avatar. Next, hit the Edit Avatar button. Go to the Body tab, and then click on the Head section. Here, you'll see your avatar is using the new dynamic head. All you have to do is click on it to deselect it. And that's it. Your avatar should go back to normal. Now, here's another way to do the same thing using a browser. Open the Roblox website. Click on your avatar icon, then click Edit Avatar. Go to Head and Body, and scroll down to find the Heads tab. You'll probably see something like the Stevie Standard Head selected. If you want a different look, just choose another style from the left side. But if you're like me and don't want it at all, just deselect it. Finally, join a game again to check the result. And that's it, your avatar should now be back to the default head.